Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chidera, and on this channel I teach you how to take good care of your hair. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be turning this my rough looking twist of a week and 5 days into an entirely new style. I don't even know what it will look like, but then that's why it's written as a puzzle. So let's solve that puzzle. So before we start, we're going to be moisturizing our hair if your hair is dry. But for me today, I'm not going to be moisturizing my hair because I actually moisturized my hair yesterday. I moisturize alternatively. That's if I moisturize today, I don't moisturize tomorrow. So my hair is super moisturized. It's very creamy and oily too. So I won't be applying them. So, but if your own hair is dry, you should consider moisturizing your entire hair first. Then you go in with your oil, that's doing the LOC. Then you go in with your cream. As you can see, I have two creams here. They are still the same thing. Should I call it Clove, Moringa, Neem cream? So this particular cream contains those three ingredients with other ingredients and oils too. So I'll be leaving the link in the description box below, so you'll be able to check how I made this. It's super easy and I promise it's very nutritional for your hair. So if you are going to be using it, it's also important to use it to moisturize the entire strand of your hair, then focusing on the tip too. Mine is super moisturized, so I won't be using it. I'm just showing in case your hair is dry when you be doing the same thing. So let's dive into the video. Sorry, before we dive in, do ensure to subscribe to this channel please, as it means a lot to me, and please leave a comment below so at least I know what you think about this hairstyle. And let's see. So let's move on. So actually I want to convert this twist into a bantu knot. A bantu knot. So I'm going to be showing how I'll be doing it. Should I start from the back or the front? Okay, let's start with the front. So for you to do the style, that's bantu knot. I prefer my bantu knot in twist. I don't like it without twist. So to start the bantu knot, your hair like this, then you fold it. As you can see, when it's folded, you don't just so you start wrapping this one around it, and while wrapping you don't just go down to the bottom and start wrapping. You wrap from the top. That's you wrap from the top. That's then you now start moving down. We don't want our scalp to be too tight, so you be careful when you get to the end not to tighten your scalp. So if your hair is dried, you should consider applying your hair cream at the end here. Then you roll and then take your me. What does this look like? Okay, let's do more of it. I'm going to be faster now. You should also hold the knot at the top so it doesn't get loose. So I think I'm even using my hand to block your view. Then this is the second one. Wow, since the style is turning out to be something beautiful. So this one, remember, fold first, then you start wrapping the lengthy one around it. So even if your hair is short, this style still goes. It's still fine. Your hair mustn't be very long to get this hairstyle. So you see, I'm getting to the end already. I'm leaving it so you'll be able to see it. Yeah, so it's not too tight, neither is it too loose. It's just fine for your scalp. So let's do this. I'm actually starting from the front. I prefer to start from the back. And mind you, if your hair is very tiny, your hand will pain you. So be careful. So fold, then start wrapping. So you have to continue this same process until you're done with your entire twists. Yes. Wow. It's turning out fine. Well, like my face is already changed. Like, I'm getting a new look already, guys. I can't wait to get to the end and see what I did be looking like at the end of this video. And also, it's the other twist might be interfering. That's as you're trying to twist one, another one might just come into it. So what you should do is either you pack your entire yes, you pack it into a bun, a buns. I don't know, just pack it. Okay, so it's important to pack it so you can now pick out the one you want and continue the same process. And this hairstyle, I think it's not going to take more. It won't be taking much of your time because it's very easy. Since your hair is already twisted, what you just need to do is just pick up a twist and wrap it around. But if it were to be that you're just cutting, you start cutting, then this one, it's super easy. I call it two-in-one hairstyle. So even though I'm not done, I'm already having a different look, a different look. So when I said my hair is well moisturized, that's why I didn't bother applying another cream. So it's not just too much on my hair. So I think I should turn around so we'll see what it's getting like. Sincerely, this process can be very, very stressful. So if you don't have strength, Biko, don't do it yourself. I really want to know what you think about this hairstyle and if you'll be trying it. Please do well to let me know in the comment section. It will be really appreciated. Thank you. So let's do it one more time. Fold, then the longer one, you wrap it around, starting from the top to the bottom. And once you get to the bottom, make sure it's not too tight, neither is it too loose. So once you're done, that's it. So you should also watch it carefully with the last strand so you see it.
We are finally done. So this is what the bantu knot looks like at the end of everything.
I'm finally done with a new look. How do I look, guys? So let me know what I look like in the comment section. And well, thank you very much for staying till now. And now this actually puzzle solved already. So we finally solved the puzzle. This is what the new hairstyle looks like. Would you have thought this hair is old? Do you think it's a new one? So this is what the style looks like. Super easy. It took me 20 minutes on the dot to finish this hairstyle. But if you're very fast, it might take you less, and if you're slow, it might take you more time. So thank you very, very much for staying till this time. I really do appreciate. So I have a new style that I can maybe rock for another week before I finally decide to wash it. So thank you very, very much. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be leaving in the description box how I made the cream, and then I have other important and very nice videos for you. I would also leave them in the description box. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate, and see you in the next one. Bye.